Hey everyone, what's going on? It's Wilson. It's been a while since I recorded a video, but I've been doing a lot of investing lately, and I get a lot of questions and emails from previous subscribers. Thank you guys so much on some of the best passive income ideas when it comes to investing. So, you probably made money off doing some trading, and then now you're thinking about, okay, what can I do that will generate me passive income every single month that's reoccurring and will pretty much put money in my bank account every single month without me having to do anything. So just wanted to create a quick video on some of the passive income that I've tested out and used and still use until today. So the first one that I want to go over is Betterment and Wealthfront. This is the one that I've been using for over 2 years, and I've seen excellent results with this. So for those that aren't familiar with what it is, Betterment is pretty much a robo investors for people that are looking to pretty much set and forget. So you deposit money every single month, or you deposit one time money, and you pretty much set and forget. Some of the expected returns are roughly 2.4%, but that depends on the goal setting and the risk tolerance level that you select when you navigate to your settings. For me, this was a lot higher. I think I got pretty lucky last year, and I got really close to 5%. So that's one thing that I really love. But I just have some really aggressive and risky goals. Make sure you choose a tolerance that's for you. There isn't any account minimum, but you can start off with something like 500, and a good strategy is to pretty much invest or at least put in an additional 500 every single month. That's what I do. You can set up auto investing so it's taxable over time. Something that I love is I love their tax harvesting, so they put the best option for you when it comes to saving on taxes, because tax is just a punk in America. You can easily track your retirement goals, so you set how much you want when you head towards retirement, and they'll tell you if you're on track or off track. It's pretty much best for people who want everything hands off and you just kind of set and forget, generating a much better return than a traditional cash bank account. Next up is Fundrise, something I really love as well. It's pretty much like REIT stocks, if you guys are familiar with those. Is where you invest in real estate, but you don't actually have to own the property, so you don't have to deal with all the stuff like cleaning, property management, and all that bullcrap that people normally have to deal with. One of the downsides about Fundrise is that withdrawing your money can be a pain because they make you wait a certain amount of time before you can actually withdraw. But it's a great way for people who love real estate. You just want to get in. I love the daily updates, or well, more like weekly updates, but they send you like property updates, like your property has been complete. They show you really good photos, and they give you status updates. Average return for Fundrise investment is roughly 11% in 2017, which is rather high. I did not achieve this, but there has been a lot of proven stats that this is achievable. Next one is P2P Lending. This is very, very risky, but I think it's super high rewarding. So you can start off with something like $1,000, and you can use a platform like Lending Club or Prosper. And all you do is that you choose the type of people where you lend people money. So these are just regular people looking for loans, student loans, helping with their credit cards and stuff like that. And what happens is that you invest in these notes, and they're supposed to pay you interest over time when they pay back the thing. Again, it's very risky. I tested this, and over 5 years, it was just like $7,000 in gains, which is pretty high, but and much better than a savings account. But it's very risky. There's a couple people that fall off and they never pay you back, and this and that. But that happens with a lot of P2P lending type of business. Next up, more traditionally, is dividend stock investing. Dividend stock is where you pretty much you buy a stock that pays out a good dividend. Apple is a good example of this. The real estate stuff that I talk about, REITs, ETFs, AT&T, these are very good stocks for that. And I like to keep a separate account aside from my trading account just dedicated for this. Very low risk, but you need a lot of capital upfront to get started, and it's not something that's really quick. Well, anyways, those are the 5 different passive income that I've tested. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe and give it a thumbs up. I'll be making more vids again shortly. I know I haven't made a big video for almost like a year, but I'm looking to do it more again shortly. So stay tuned and hope you guys enjoy.